In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get more flow here in Locked 2 on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. And we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But there's two main methods to do this, and you can use both to progress way faster. The first method is by going to the store or the shop down here. So go ahead and make your way over to the conference room just like so. And here, if you just run up to this guy right here, it's going to show you all these different items. These essentially are going to be different like flows that you can get. For example, right now the lightning flow is available. And this resets every couple of hours, so just keep that in mind. Always check back to see if there's better ones in here, like Wildcard is also pretty good. Or it looks like Monster is also available, and this one is only 10k, so that's pretty cheap as well. But the second method in order to do this, if you don't see anything that you like in there, is by heading to this little character section. So go ahead and make your way over to that character section, and then hit Flow, and this is where you can buy a reroll. Just keep in mind it is a little risky because it's going to like replace whatever your current flow is. So you could get something better or you could lose a good one. Let's just go ahead and reroll once for the sake of this video. That is the entire process though. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.